Hello viewers, welcome all of you to
Meta,
my YouTube
take the
channel Out of
video.
Box with Anil Pandey. Next series of the update regarding Prestige City Sajap. Because day wise so many developments are happening. Right now on your new screen you may be seeing the Forum Mall. Already the construction work is going on. Only the thing they have just cordon off this area, and now you are seeing the development by in Avalon. As I have told, just Avalon is Tower 1, Tower 2, Tower 3 is completed, but still Tower 4, 5, 6, 7 work is left. And this view you are just getting through mobile, and then by the help of Meta Google views. So again the possession date I will just tell you regarding Avalon, because the possession date of Avalon is now escalating. Earlier it was somewhere third week of the February 2025. Now it seems the date towards escalating, maybe March or April. The update has not come. So the moment the update comes, I will just give you the update about the possession of the Avalon Tower. Now the same goes for Aspen Green Villa, is also ready. Some of the work is left. Its possession is also escalating now, leading as and when the possession date confirms. I will let the viewers to know when Aspen Green Villa is ready for possession. And now at present you are seeing the Eden Park. See, in fact, all the towers of the, whether it is Avalon, Eden, Meriden or Aston, supposed to be delivered in this year 2025, but all possession, as it started delaying from Aspen Green Villa or Avalon Park Tower, so the possession seems to be escalating. Right now the Forum Mall, regarding Forum Mall, the construction is started, and also its completion date is yet to be known. As and when all this information, whether as for at present scenario, the Avalon Park is 1, 2, 3 tower completed, and then rest little work is going on 4, 5, 6, 7 tower. So as and when new update will come, I will just inform the viewers. So just today also I came for here just for walking, because it is very near to my place. As two updates I have just given in previous my blog, two updates are there. Namma Metro compartment hub, making manufacturing compartment hub, is also coming in Sarjapur, and government is searching for the land which is to be near about 60 acres, and also regarding is progress on the metro activity towards Sarjapur area is developing. Right now you are seeing the view. This already I told, the Aspen Green Villa. So viewer have asked me the cost also in this earlier message. They tell me the cost of the Aspen Green Villa, which I confirmed from the marketing office. At present they are just quoting above 7 CR plus. You just can also, anybody who has booked the flat or want to know the resale value of the particular flat, those who want to sell, they can inquire from the Prestige office, marketing office of the Prestige City. So because they are having a separate cell, and they have given earlier video, I have given the name also, where those 2 or 3 people are separately dealing for the people who want to buy resale project here. So otherwise they can also visit directly to their Prestige Experience Center at Sarjapur, and they can have the correct information regarding this. As far as the construction work is getting in full pace, and it is the only matter of time where that they will declare the possession date of Aspen Green Villa first and then Avalon. And also, because you might have heard, the Prestige may hand over, the possession. And because if you know because now registry is held up because of e-Khata process, which has to be done by builder. Earlier it was Khata change is to be done by individual, depend upon builder. So because of that process, as Prestige is handing over possession without registration, then registration is lined up as per the queue. सी सपोज दे मे हैंड ओवर द रजिस्ट्रेशन, वो आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन बाद में करा सकते हैं, आपको टाइम दे सकते हैं कि इस मंथ में आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन होगा, लेकिन फ्लैट को वो आपको हैंड ओवर कर सकते हैं, और सो दैट कि आप अपने इंटीरियर को आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. यू कैन टेक ओवर you can take over your flat as and when they just intimate you for possession. There are 2 things. Possession means it is not that only registration के बाद ही आपको फ्लैट का possession देंगे. They may hand over as they have done for Waterford, Prestige Waterford at ECC Road. If you just inquire, they have handed over all the flats to buyers, but registration is not being done because registration is again held up for e-Khata. So they say it will take 1 or 2 months to complete the process to software update, and then they can they will call you as per your sequence for registration. So there are 2 different issues which I wanted to make clear. So there is nothing, only after registration or prior to registration they will hand over the flat. They will hand over the flat as per the update I asked. If it is ready, then you can take the possession, and later on the Prestige intimation, whenever you get a date for your registration of flat, you can do that in later part. So again, this property is landmark in Sarjapur. For new viewer, I am saying it is on 188 acres parcel of land with different amenities, as Sarjapur largest Forum Mall is coming here, the metro, third phase metro is also coming here, and then peripheral ring road. The connectivity will give you the excellent connectivity, and it is surrounded by so many reputed schools, colleges, tech park like RGA Tech Park, Wipro Tech Park, and EcoWorld Eco Space. These are the, and then reputed schools like Cambridge, and connectivity to Sarjapur, Marathalli, Mahadevpura, and Electronic City from this place is excellent. The road widening work is also going on in Sarjapur, or you can say Barthur Road. If you see, that process is continuous, but to build up the infrastructure to required size, it has to take time for metro come up, and for road widening work is going on, but metro work is not started. So these are the view of inside of the Prestige city. Widen roads, and quite near about, you can say 80 plus open area, 80% plus open area, where you can see inventory of the flat more than 10,000 plus. So you can understand all the in this inside the Prestige city, all the Forum Mall is there. So many other also commercial complex will be there. So viewer, how you like this video? Let me know through comment box, and also do subscribe my channel and also
मम्मी
share
अपनी
to
तरफ
needy
का डोर
person
खोल लो,
so
खोल
that
के गया मेरे
the
को
information
तुरंत।
can reach to them. Thank you very much.